So today we're going to be talking about the Google Meet recording feature that's within the license for Google Workspace for Education Plus and for your teaching and learning licenses. So if you have those licenses, fantastic, well done. If you don't, obviously speak to us and we can sort you out with a guided trial and obviously get you up and running with that if you want to understand a little bit more about the features and how they work for you in the context of your class. So let's just get into this and let's have a look at what that feature is and how we can utilize it. So we go into, first and foremost, I'm not going to start a Meet from scratch. I'm going to use Google Classroom because that's the best practice in terms of using Google Meets because it's all pre-recorded from the Classroom itself and it works phenomenally well. So I'm going to go into my Google Apps, so I'll click on my waffle icon and I go to my Google Classroom. Blue Peter moment here. I've already got a really imaginatively titled Google Classroom set up, which is Google Meet Record and More, really good. So click on that Google Classroom and that will take me into my Google Classroom through the wizardry of the internet. As you can see here, I've got right in front of me my Google Meet link where I can manage that and make that visible, invisible to my students as and when I want to. As I said, best practice for creating and using Google Meets is through Google Classroom. So when I'm ready, I'm going to join that Google Meet. So I just click on that. And that will take me through to Google Meet. Now, it will do a good job of asking and making sure that my microphone and my camera are all allowed. Just to save you from seeing my beautiful, gorgeous face twice, I've switched off the camera on here for you. From here, I can then check and make sure I've got different things on here, so I can turn the camera on or off if I don't want to be on camera. But I'm just going to jump in from the lobby as a teacher rather than waiting in the lobby so I can see all of my students. I can do things like turn on the filter out background feature that is built into Google Meet as well, which is great. But what I want to do is I want to start off by getting my meeting recording up and running. So I click on my kebab menu, or the three dots, and click on the manage recording bit. From here, I've got a couple of options I can jump into. So I can add a language straight away for any closed captions to make sure that they're automatically on and ready. But I can also, from here, start a transcript, which will obviously transcribe everything that's spoken within the meeting to accompany the video that is also recorded as well. When I'm ready and comfortable that everybody consents to me recording it, I can press that button and start that recording. So once it's recording, it gives me a little button here of, yep, I'm recording, yep, you've got your transcripts going. Fantastic. I can look at my closed captions there and you can see it's already been turned on and it is in English there as well. So rather than just leave the call, what I need to do is I need to manage my recording. So best practice again, click on manage recording, and then when you press stop recording, it will also stop the transcript. So you're not getting an overlap of when the transcript stopped and the meeting recording stopped as well. When I'm comfortable that we're finished and we're all done, end the call, and again, make sure you end the call for everyone so there's no students left behind talking about Pokemon or whatever. So, where did my Meet recording go? Well, it went into my Google Drive. Now, it's the organizer or the classroom teacher that is the organizer of that meeting. Go into my Google Drive, go into my Meet recordings, and there you go. I've got my video there, which I can again reuse in Google Forms or Google Classroom. But here we've got a transcript, which I can open in Google Docs. Now, if I've got students in my class that don't have English as their first language, what I can do is I can use the power and the integration within Google Workspace to use Google Docs to translate this into a language that they are more comfortable ingesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of the languages that I'm really fluent in, which is Danish. More the pastries than the language, to be honest with you. Click into that. There we go, and you've got a nice little transcripted document there that's in their native language. So we've explored Google Meet, we've explored how we can create the recording, and we've explored some of the other nice little features that you've got on there. Recording doesn't have to be limited to just recording a classroom meeting. It could be a process, it could be something that you want to have instruction on for the class that you want to use later in a Google form, in a practice set, or in an assignment. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you use anything of these features that you're interested in learning more about and you don't have access to them, please get in touch with our team about having a guided trial. Again, thank you for watching.